So hello guys, we are just going to discuss a very important concept here, which is multiple inheritance. So what is a multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance is a kind of an inheritance where we inherit the genes from one class or from two class to one specific class. So where we have in the multiple inheritance that where we have two base classes and one is are derived class. So this is class A and class B. These are the class A and B, these are the base class, and this class C is here derived class. And inside the derived class we are just extracting the or inheriting the genes, inheriting the qualities of the class A and B inside C. So you can see how we are you're taking the qualities of class A and class B inside class C. So this is a kind of a inheritance where you are inheriting the things which we have present inside the class A and B. So class A and B, it is our a base class. So and C class is what? Class C is a derived class. So multiple inheritance is what? Multiple inheritance where we have a two base classes and one is a derived class. So you can see now C class have a three qualities, which is high, this is a B, high, this is a high, this is a C. So now C, which is a derived class, now this derived class have a three qualities, which is A, B, C. So these are the variables. So now the thing that present inside the variable, so we have a three variables, so it means we have a three qualities. So class C have a three qualities. Why? Because we have inherit. So class C have already it's their own quality, that this is a C, and class C now inherit from class A and B. So now we have a two external qualities. So now we have a total three qualities. So C have a three qualities. So when we have three qualities inside this C, so we are going to create here one is one object is a a real thing that we have created from a class. So class C is a here is a class C is a kind of blueprint or design. So from design we are going to make the real thing. So this is our class C. So C1, that's C is the class, and we are going to make a real object from this derived class. So we have created a object here, and when we are printing this C1 dot C, C1 dot B, C1 dot A. So we are just taking the we are just getting the qualities here. So when we are printing C1 dot C, then we are getting this is C. Why we are getting this is C? Because inside C class we have a this is C. So that's why we are getting. And when we are printing C1 dot B, then we are getting what? We are getting uh, this is B, this is B. We are getting here this is B. And when we are printing C1 dot A, then we are getting here this is A. So you can see inside one object we have inherit the qualities of A and B. So this is actually a multiple inheritance where we have a base class, two base class, and one derived class. Inside one derived class we are inheriting the qualities of A and B. And now when we have our qualities of A and B, then we can easily get the qualities of the base classes qualities. We can easily get it by creating one object, which is C1. So thanks for watching video.